Meaning of fitting room.
Fitting room.
Fitting room.
Fitting room.
Fitting room. A fitting room, also known as a changing room or a dressing room, is a private area in a store where customers can try on clothes before making a purchase. Fitting rooms typically have mirrors and hooks for hanging clothes, as well as seating for the customer and sometimes a call button to request assistance from a sales associate. The purpose of a fitting room is to allow customers to ensure that clothing items fit properly and look good before making a purchase, which can help reduce returns and improve customer satisfaction.